Luca, what did you do over spring break?
Oh, I just, Hey guys, we're in a bit of a different scene because today I'm going to be having a little spa day with you guys, a little girls' day. First things first is we have to run the bath, so let's just run a bath. This baby, I want it full all the way to the top. I always feel bad when I'm filling baths because in like 4th grade, we had an assembly on water wasting, and there's this little song, and it was like, what do you do with a water waster? And every time I think about bathing, that song just like replays in my head over and over again. So we have the bath ready, and funny story actually, when I was running it, I started running it and it wasn't really getting anywhere. It was just kind of staying like a nice level, and I realized that I forgot to plug the drain. That took all the hot water out of our system, so then I had to wait like 20 minutes for more hot water to come in. Long story short, this was just a journey for me. I actually bought this Mr. Bubble stuff. I don't even know. I'm a very avid bath taker. Some people think they're gross, but I just think it's really relaxing. You know, I don't care if you're bathing in your own filth because I just like, I'm kind of not a really sanitary person. Like I could care less about that sort of stuff. But yeah, I'm not looking too hot right now because I just finished practice, but like you don't care, so you know. Hate to slay too hard on you guys, but I won't say that again, I'm sorry. I got a drink and it's in a wine glass because I wanted to feel more bougie and a wine glass just seems right for this occasion. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to put on a face mask, and I went to Lush and got this face mask yesterday. And funny story, when I was there, I was talking to this one lady and they were like, you know how they like basically like jump on you, and I think they're paid commission, so that's why, but they just try to sell you like everything and like rub everything on your hands, and like they want you to smell everything. Like, girly, I'm really just okay with you telling me a little bit about the product. I don't really need to head over onto the sink and see how it feels on my hands. I trust your word for it. But this one lady was talking to me and like telling me all about the face masks, and then this other Lush worker just comes and swoops in and like takes me basically, and she's just like, yeah, Monica, you can go over there. I didn't know what was going on. I think she definitely was being a little competitive with the other lady, but all of a sudden it was just crazy. I can't believe she did it like that. Such a savage. She was just like, yeah, I got this one. You can head over and do the bath bomb demo. I ended up getting the Just to Clarify jelly face masks, and it is their new line. It looks like this, if you guys are curious. Should I put the jets on? No, that might not end up well. All right, so here we go. This is weird. This is like slime. Can you guys get a look at that? How crazy. Oh my God. Dig a little out like that, like so. Oh, frick. Oh, I just dropped it in the water. Are you kidding me? I just wasted like $2 on that little drop. So the way she was demoing it to me was just to just like rub it in. I think because I got it wet, it like kind of messed it up. But I was really hoping that this was gonna change my face a different color, because that's just like more fun. You know, there's a couple of, what is that? Okay, let's see. Pinch off some jelly, work between dry hands to form a paste and apply to the skin. Leave on for 10 minutes, then rinse to clean. Okay, well my hands are definitely not dry, but does it really matter? All right, so I would say that's pretty evenly applied. What would you guys say? Does it look good? God, we have to do a thumbnail. Okay, so now we wait for 10 minutes. Okay, so the next order of business that we have here today is I want to whiten my teeth. So here I have a retainer. It's not the cleanest, I have to admit, but there is no but. It's just not very clean and kind of looks gross. But again, circling back to the not very hygienic person, I don't really care. So I'm going to whiten my teeth a little. Okay, so I'm sorry if I'm looking into the viewfinders it's because I have no mirror and I can't really see still. So this is kind of blind operation. I'm gonna do my phone. I look so bad. I was really hoping that this was gonna be one of those cute masks that makes you look cute, you know, that the girls do all the selfies in. But that's all right. There's like chunks of stuff all over my face, and like I'm just really sad that this is going on the internet because like all of the screenshots that could be taken, I'm trusting that no one will do me dirty like that, but I can just imagine my future kids watching this video and just being like, all right. Alrighty, there we go. We're done. Wow. I just love treating myself like the queen that I am, you know? Ladies, don't be afraid to have a self-care day. Buy yourself a face mask. It doesn't have to be one of these bougie Lush ones. No. Hey Siri, why isn't she working? Siri, come on girl. Get on top of your game, girly, come on. Hey Siri, set timer for 9 minutes.
T-minus 9 minutes and counting.
What do you guys want to talk about? When I was a kid, like, if I ever had like a babysitter or if I was hanging out with my friends, I would always say like, so, like, what do you want to talk about? Man, were those the days. If it were just that simple, you know what I'm saying? Social interaction would just be so easy. I feel like everything that comes out of my mouth does not make any sense. But maybe that just means that I'm on a higher level than everyone else, you know? Like, I'm on a higher level thinking. And so that's why people don't get what I say and stuff like that. That's probably what it is, you know? Yeah. I feel like a soccer mom who's just had a long day. She just had a long day with the kids and she just needs a glass of wine. Oh, by the way, I didn't address this. This is not wine. This is fruit punch. Honestly, I didn't really think that anyone would think that's wine because, I mean, it doesn't really look like a wine, but I would probably just not address it and get like 100 comments as to like, oh my god, is she seriously drinking wine? Like, she's 16. I would never do that. I'm just a holy child. I don't need alcohol to have a good time because I already am a good time. Just me on my own. I don't need any illegal substances to help me out with that. We already out here vibing. We already out here vibing. While we're waiting, I can't believe 10 minutes hasn't passed yet. I'm going to do a little exfoliating with my brush. This is from Duval and it is so good. I did a sponsorship with them and it's honestly like one of my favorite sponsorships I've ever done. I'll link them down below if you guys want to check it out because I really do love the product. Oh, this is the body spinner. It just does a really good job of exfoliating and my legs have been peeling really bad because I didn't use sunscreen at the beach. This is just a little awkward for both you and me, but I hope we're bonding right now. I should have told you guys if you wanted to go run a bath. It's not too late. If you want to go run a bath, go get in the hot tub or whatever you want. If you're not a fan of baths, then that's cool too. You can just relax, put on a face mask, whatever floats your boat, and we can just pamper ourselves together. You probably will look a little bit better than me, but I'm not the type to get jealous, don't worry. This is a healthy relationship, healthy friendship. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the face mask off and we'll do this later because I cannot stand it, how it looks. But this is supposed to exfoliate, so I hope that all of my blackheads are gone, and if it isn't, then, ooh, it couldn't have, you know, I was trying to pull some hair out to be cute, but like, in the end, it's just messing me up because all the face masks sitting in it, but it's okay. Sometimes it be like that, you know? Sometimes it just be like that. I do feel like this is really exfoliating really well. But like they couldn't even have made it a cuter color. Like that's what I'm saying. I can't even take like selfies. People at school are gonna bully me for this video. I just can feel it. No, I'm kidding. People don't bully me at school for my YouTube. They bully me because I'm ugly. I took off the face mask and honestly, I don't know, does my skin look better than it did before? I can never tell with face masks. I would say that this one is pretty good, but again, how am I supposed to really tell? All right, so what we were doing is exfoliating my legs. My teachers are gonna be like, so what did everyone do over spring break? And you know, there's always the Emily that like went to Cabo, and like some kid probably like went to Spain, and then another kid is gonna be like, oh, I slept. But me, oh, not the case for me. I mean, I could be honest and actually say I filmed a couple of videos for my YouTube channel, but that always leads to, oh, what kind of videos do you make? So what kind of videos do I really make? Because there's just really no category that this special video fits into. I'm sure the fruit punches are doing good things for my teeth that I just whitened. The next order of business is going to be cleaning my face with this spin brush. And I do this every single night. It's so good for my skin. I think that's the reason my skin is actually doing okay. Fun fact, there's a point of time where my skin was so bad. I could not film videos without makeup on just because like it would be really bad. And my forehead would break out so much. Like I still kind of have like not scars but like marks from like all of the acne that I had. I really think what cleared up my skin was just a lot of things, which I don't really feel like sharing in this video. Maybe one day I'll make a skincare routine. To be honest, I kind of have to go to the bathroom right now. Where did all my bubbles go? Where are they at? This is the biggest scam of 2018 and I'm sick of it. I am so sick of Mr. Bubbles games. It's just craziness. We're gonna shave because this will actually be a first impressions of the Skintimate Moisturizing Hydrant Shave Gel. We're gonna see how it works. Oh, it's actually a gel. I've never tried that before. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is the science? It's foaming now. It smells good. Yeah, believe it or not, I actually do grow hair in my armpits. Oh my god, this is craziness. I feel like my cat would enjoy this, but he's not in here. That was a really lonely thing to say. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of having the time of my life. Is that an undertone of I don't know wines. I can't make wine jokes. Alright, I feel like I need to spend at least a couple more hours in here just because it's just too good. Such good vibes in here. If this video makes it up to the internet, give it a thumbs up, you know what I'm saying? Leave a comment down below. Go follow me on my Instagram. Make sure to have good vibes today. Make sure to smell the roses today. Make sure to treat yourself today, ladies and gentlemen. If there's a guy out there that knows that if my parents walk in, if there's a guy out there that thinks that he might enjoy a bath, go ahead and do it, brother. And I'm not judging you. No one's judging you, okay? Sometimes guys just want to take baths and just do you. Do you, because life is too short. Life is too short to not do something that you don't want to do, something that you want to do just because of gender roles and such, okay? Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Just don't be afraid in general. This was such a good time. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. You thought. Okay.
I just wanna throw my hands. I just wanna make with a stand. I just wanna catch one glance. I just wanna see